well. He's been slaying a lot of bass at Dyer and stuff lately. Gonna go to a bit of different grounds and get some footage in the river. Pigeon? Jackal? Jackal? Oh, blade. Any size in the yellow? Oh, really? Yep, there we go. Yep. I get this feeling of whack, 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 whack. On the drop. Another yellow. Thanks, bastard. Man, he made a meal of his jackal. Yeah, but you know it's got the wire running through. He's pulled that all out. Yeah, on the drop, whack, 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 whack. He hit it so many times before he hooked up. But yeah, just in the middle where we've been casting, there's a few dead trees. Right, that at least gets me on the score sheet. Goody, goody, goody. Flying with a V. Remember the 5th of November? I don't want a big bass now. I've only caught small bass on this setup. Little squeakers. Yeah, the yellows actually fight pretty well in here. Yep, there we are. While he's standing on the yak. The red belly black again. Oh, this one's got some good pull to it. He's pulling some line. Pulling my silly string. That's pretty cool. First fish while standing. Better not be a stinking catty. Good fish on the favourite phantom. Oh, good bass, yeah. Oh, I need my net. He's only just lipped. He's gonna be a 50, I think. Oh, it's close. 48. Fat bass standing up on the dragon. Just shy of 50, went 48.
Nice bass.
filming my big bass on the rig rod. Stood in a cow turd.
Worth it, bro.
Totally worth it. Never stop. Let's keep going again. Yep, there we go. There's another pipsqueak, I'm pretty sure. Here's another pipsqueak, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Huh? Another little bass. Little baby. Aussie bass. Tough little bowlers they are. There you go. Yep. Here's a smaller one. Yeah, much smaller. Yeah, it's a little tiny one. Little baby bass. There you go. Little baby. There he goes. How's this? 2 people, 2 slayers. Both standing, slaying bass. So this morning Mr. Randall over there got one on a white spinnerbait, first cast of the morning. I don't even think I was recording yet, so he thought it was going to be a hot session. Ended up being pretty quiet up the other end of the river. So he paddled on down a bit, where I saw some awesome surface action, tried to get in on that. Didn't work out. So I've paddled down to this deeper hole here, where a lot of bass and yellows are hanging out. Bass and golden perch, otherwise known. Just throwing little soft plastic fibres around, and they're loving it at the moment. I think I'm going to have to reapply my anti-burn. Right, reapplication of Banana Boat SPF 50 plus.
Oh yeah, that's alright.
So, yep, there we go. Oh no, 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 no! That was another good fish too.
Little baby.
Oh, yep, there we go. Huh? Yep. Another golden perch. Small golden perch. Another yellow. Woo. He wanted to go. Yes, there we go. Yeah, just a little one. Little bass again. Single hook. Righto, little bee man. Plenty of you around. See ya. Yeah, so it's starting to get a bit quiet. It's kind of like stand-up paddleboard fishing. Which Dragon do as well. Dragon do a stand-up paddleboard that you can fish on. Mr. Sean Randall hooked up to
Good bass.
a good bee dog. Good bass again.
Get off that net. That's alright. Get this out of the net. Ooh,
It's a good fish.
not bad bass.
Another overcast day. More bass. More yellows. Hopefully this time we're not going to get stuck in a storm. All the fish today, I'll show you what lure so far I've all been coming on. One of my favourites, obviously the jackal, red belly, black. Here's the soft one. Just hopping it along the bottom. 1-2 hops, 3 lines, pause, let it sink back down. A lot of the time they're just whacking it on the drop, or just after it's hit the bottom they'll sort of peck out a little bit. The little ones are pecking. Big ones are certainly giving it. This is a rod and reel I've been using most of the time, because I've been trying to give this thing a good run on Aussie natives. This is the Reed rod. This is John B's rod by the Favourite Phantom, and I'm running the JDM Scorpion digital control reel on it. No better way to end the day.